In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and videos to Confluence page. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can place visuals on any page with confidence, whether you're sharing a quick screenshot or embedding a product demo. Start by opening your Confluence site and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the home dashboard or the last place you visited. Make sure you're working in the right area of your workspace so your content appears where your team expects it. Open the space that contains the page you want to edit. A space is simply a collection of related pages, so choose the one tied to your project or team. If you're creating a brand new page, you can still follow along. The media options are the same in the editor. With the page open, switch into editing mode by selecting Edit. This opens the page editor and its toolbar so you can add content. If the edit button isn't available, you may need view or edit permissions from your admin. On the editor toolbar, choose Add Image, Video, or File. This opens the media picker, which is where you decide how you want to bring in your content. If your image or video is already hosted elsewhere, pick Link. Paste a direct URL to the file or streaming location, and Confluence will prepare an embedded preview so teammates can view it without leaving the page. This is great for items stored in approved cloud libraries. If the content is on your computer, choose File. Select the file from your device and confirm your choice. Common formats like PNG, JPG, GIF, MP4, and MOV work well and keep things simple for viewers. After providing the link or picking the local file, complete the action by clicking Upload. Confluence attaches the asset to the page and places it right where your cursor was, so you can see exactly how it fits with your text. When everything looks good, save your changes by selecting Update. Your page refreshes in view mode, and your image or video is now live for anyone with access to the page. For best results, keep file names descriptive, stay within your organization's size limits, and use consistent dimensions so pages remain fast and tidy. If you ever need to swap a file or adjust placement, just return to Edit and repeat these steps.